homegrown and small businesses have exploded in recent times. Everybody wants to run their own business, no matter how small or how humble. For example, a housewife might want to sell her own special formulation of oils and skincare products. On the other hand, an employee in a corporate office comes home, bakes fantastic cakes, and sells them in the cooperative housing society that he or she lives in. Now, all these products are extremely good, they have fantastic quality. But there is a small limitation on small-scale businesses. They run into a block when it comes to packaging these products. What most homegrown business owners do is, they go to a stationer's shop and buy generic brown-colored corrugated or craft paper boxes, and then they pack their products in the same. I repeat, the products are great, but the packaging on the outside leaves a little something to be desired. And that is why Orchid Digitals has developed this special solution. We call this a custom printed sleeve to give your packaging that uber premium look and feel. What are these sleeves? Well, we use our digital printing presses to print on a thin strip of paper. This is an extremely high resolution digital color print with really vibrant and photo quality printing. And as the name suggests, these sleeves wrap around your box like this. So you start off with a simple brown box, but as you wrap the sleeve around the box, it gets that premium, high quality look and feel. And there are a lot of benefits to these custom printed packaging sleeves. For example, the first one would be the cost. They cost next to nothing. A sleeve like this is going to cost you somewhere between 8 to 10 bucks. The second thing is, you can order sleeves in different sizes. If you have a larger box, if you have a smaller box, or if you want to wrap your box vertically, that's not a problem. Give us your design in whatever dimensions you want and we'll create it for you. The third thing is, if you have a product that comes in 1 liter, 5 liter or 10 liter, you don't need to stock large quantities of boxes of different dimensions for each of these product categories. Just stock small quantities of generic brown boxes, and we give you these thin sleeves which occupy no space at all in your godown, and apply them as you go along. Fitting these sleeves is also an absolute no-brainer. As I told you, Orchid will first print it out for you and cut it to the necessary dimensions or sizes that you want. We then put this two-sided, I don't know if the camera can catch this, but we then put this two-sided tape on the back side. All you got to do is peel the same and paste it, wrap it around your box and paste it, and you're good to go. So what are you waiting for? Give your food packaging a professional touch with custom printed sleeves for boxes from Orchid Digitals. Start making an impact with your brand today. Finally, don't forget to hit that like and the subscribe button. This will keep you posted about all the printing and signage service solutions that we keep posting about on our Orchid Digitals YouTube channel. Thank you.